space, no time spent getting to and from the planet.
Just give me the short version. How far to Earth?
10 months.
Oh, God.
Right.
Yes.
Dallas, I think you should come and see Kane.
Has his condition changed?
It's simpler if you just come and see him.
We're on our way.
Right.
How are you doing?
I'm so sorry about falling
How you
asleep.
doing?
I don't know what hit me.
You remember anything about the planet?
Nothing.
What's the last thing you do remember?
The last thing I remember, I was sitting in the kitchen. Parker came up to me with this massive snotty tissue and he started chasing me with it, saying, "Oh, Corona, Corona." And then he pinned me down and he made me eat it. And then as I passed out, Ripley was shouting something like, 2 meters, 2 meters. That's the last thing I remember. Well, anyway, where are we? What's going on?
Right here.
We're on our way home.
First thing that I've got to do before we go back is to do a poo. Oh, I can feel it. It's gonna be a bad one.
What happened? What happened to this guy when he acted his stomach appetite?
Maybe rubbing bacon.
That's it.
Cat down
Peddling coconuts and pineapples.
The first thing that I'm gonna do when I get back is to get some decent food.
I can dig it.
You pound down the stuff like this.
Uh-huh.
Listen, I'd rather be eating something else, but right now I'm thinking of food.
Why don't we just say that at the dinner table it's disgusting?
No, man. I don't want to talk about
Disgusting.
I'm eating this. What's the matter? The food ain't that bad.
What's wrong?
No, no. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Mm-hmm.